Hi friends, welcome to my magical hands. In this video, we will discuss about Indian folk art Warli painting. Introduction of Warli painting. Warli painting is a tribal art, mostly done by tribal people or adivasi from North Sahyadri range, Maharashtra in India, where you can see it still being practiced in tribal villages. Warli is the name of the largest tribe found on the north outskirts of Mumbai and Mumbai-Gujarat border. They have their own animistic beliefs, life, customs, and traditions. They also celebrate life in groups by dancing, singing, and playing musical instruments. Warli painting is centered around the concept of Mother Earth and nature. The focal point of Warli is the elements of nature and daily activities by the tribal people. The trademark of Warli painting is the use of basic geometrical shapes such as a circle, a triangle, a square, a line, and a dot. In olden days, Warli artists used clay huts as their backdrop and a rice paste or limestone chalk to paint on it. In modern days, it changed a lot. Nowadays, the colors of the Warli painting background are henna, black, indigo, earthy mud, brick red, and white color to paint on it. Next, we will discuss about basic shapes and lines for Warli painting. I hope you all are like this video. If you are like this video, you like and share with your family and friends. Subscribe my magical hands and press the bell button to get future video notification. Happy crafting, no tension. Bye bye.